Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Amazon gift card balance so you know how much to move. Once done, add and verify the bank account or debit card under Amazon payments. This prevents holds. Make sure your personal ID and routing plus account numbers are ready because verification often requires a micro deposit or instant verification step. This saves time and avoids failed transfers, so you can proceed directly to transfer options without backtracking. You now choose the available transfer path. If Amazon Payments allows transfer to bank, select it and enter the verified account information, amount, and confirm. If direct transfer is blocked, convert balance by buying an Amazon gift card to yourself or purchasing a reloadable card legally transferable to BankLink services. Alternatively, use reputable payout platforms. Make sure you understand fees and identity verification requirements. These steps determine speed and cost, so when you finish by confirming the transfer and watching for the expected arrival window. Many transfers take 1-3 business days, while some are instant. If funds do not appear, check that your bank account is verified, that you did not exceed gift card or transfer limits, and that Amazon has no security hold. If problems persist, contact Amazon Payments support with your transaction ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution and explains why the transfer was blocked or delayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.